Well, hi friends, I am Laura and we're back in our beloved kitchen and I have my helper today, the beloved mixer.
Laura!
Yeah, sorry. These are actually my helpers, so meet Xenia and Alice.
Hello! Hi!
Girls, you have wanted this for a long time and we finally will make your dream come true. Today, we will prepare the most delicious, most beloved dessert.
Rainbow cupcakes?
Yes! How did you guess that?
Finally! Xenia, let's make the dough. Awesome! Laura, you will help us today.
Whoa, girls, that is a twist. Well, I guess I'll totally agree. I'll be your helper. For the rainbow cupcake dough, we need eggs, butter, powdered sugar, vanilla extract, cream cheese, flour, baking powder, and we did not forget about gel food coloring. So, chefs, where do we start?
Wash the hands and make the dough.
Okay, go wash the hands and let's make the dough.
Laura, lead us.
Oh, okay, I'm just gonna leave you all the space for cooking. Now you're warm, I guess. But I think you're just smart enough. I thought you were gonna do everything by yourself. I guess I'm still gonna have to be the lead cook, but young chefs, let's start this dough. So, to begin with, Xenia, add baking powder to the flour, mix, and then do what you know the best with the flour. In the meantime, Alice, let's get the eggs into the bowl and mix them very well. So far, you're doing great.
Mix. All done.
Wow, this looks great so far. We have to go for the next steps. You little chefs. Well, now Xenia add powdered sugar, and you, Alice, have to add, I guess, vanilla extract.
Okay.
According to their recipe. Here's your powdered sugar.
Thank you.
Okay, great. Now mix everything at the lowest speed. Well, looks great so far. Now, Xenia, we have to add the butter, which is room temperature, a little bit melted, to all this mixture. And then continue. Yeah, you're doing great. Mixy. Lowest speed. Well,
Good.
looks great. Is the mixture smooth?
Now we add cream cheese.
Oh, right. Girls, really, you cannot open your own restaurant. You know everything by yourself. I'm out of here. Bye.
Yeah, at home.
No, I'm kidding. I'm back. Yeah, you can open a restaurant at home. I'm still your helper. I think I need tips for that. We have to start somewhere. We have to add cream cheese to the bowl. It fell by itself. Well, looks smooth. Now we have to continue with the dough. What do we add here?
Add flour.
Great, add the well-sifted flour, but slowly. You do remember that. Try to make it in two phases, like one part and then the second part. Easy to make the dough smooth. You're welcome. Now mix thoroughly.
Amazing.
Yeah, it is.
It looks great.
Turn it off. And then we do the second part. We're losing my friend. Mixer, hang on there. It's gonna be everywhere.
Great.
Well, yeah, that is that we expected. What do we do next? We're still making rainbow cupcakes, right? Though we need to add colors. But before that, we divide this dough in 6 parts, equal parts. Great. I'm gonna switch a little bit places.
Okay.
Hi, it's me, Laura, back to my favorite place in the middle between those amazing helpers. I'll have to get back later. You give me one and you give me one. At a time. 1, 2 spatulas. Next.
Thank you.
You're welcome. 1, 2, 2.5 spatulas. 1 and 2.
Oh,
Let me
thank you.
check where there's less. I guess here is a little bit less. And here is a little bit less. Let me check here. Okay, here is a little less. I'm good at that. I'm really good at rolling things. Now what we do, add colors. Susha, what colors are you doing today?
Red, yellow, and purple.
Those look great. And you, Alice?
I'll add pink, blue, and green.
Do it and mix everything thoroughly. Carefully with the colors. You know what to do. You're the chefs. I'm just here in the middle. This is beautiful.
Yeah.
So, you know what I'll go and get? I'll go get the molds for our cupcakes. And thoroughly, I'm gonna put some butter in there. You know why? As again, the rule. We do not want the dough to stick to the molds.
Okay.
Here I have the molds. Well, your colors look great. I'm just almost done with oiling up the mold. Once again, what colors do you have?
Red, yellow, and purple.
Looks great. And your colors are?
Pink, blue, and green.
Great. Do you know or do you think that we're gonna put them together? Let's set them aside. And I am done. Now, we need to fill the molds one at a time, one color at a time. And we fill 2/3 of the mold because, you know, the dough will rise when it goes to the oven, so we don't want it to overflow or overgrow from the mold. We just want to have very beautiful cupcakes. You're the chefs. You don't need me here. I'll just go and reheat the oven. Meanwhile, please take the stage, young chefs.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Delicious. Yummy.
I see that you're done with all the colors. It looks great. As a helper, I'll give just a little hint and help. And the final trick before they go to the oven.
Thank you.
Well, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Ta-da! Now you know what they do. We're gonna tap a little bit. So the dough is gonna be equally and goes to the preheated oven. So let's go into that. So while our cupcakes are baking, what are we going to make?
The cream.
That's right, multicolored cream. And for the cream, we need cream cheese, butter, powdered sugar, vanilla extract. So we're ready to make our cream. As you're the chefs, I'm gonna leave you to do this perfectly. You know how. But don't forget, you'll add cream cheese and you'll add butter, but I'll just be right here leading you to this. So, Celia, let's add cream cheese right out of the fridge into the bowl. And add a little bit of butter. Melted butter, room temperature. Yeah, great. I'll just add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Some drops. And now what we do next, we just mix everything at low until everything is smooth and combined. Great. We need to add one interesting thing, and I'll help you out. To make this sweet and tasty, we'll add just that much of amount of powdered sugar. Lowest. So we split this into 3 cups, and now we add food coloring to make them look like rainbow. What color did you choose?
Pink.
I got with the blue, and you go with?
Green.
Great, just the tip of our spoon, and if we need more color, we'll add more. So our colors are ready. I have just a beautiful blue and you have an amazing green and pink. I think this is gonna look amazing. And I'll go to get our already cooled down, amazing, colorful rainbow cupcakes.
Yummy.
Hey,
Delicious.
girls, do you want to leave our cupcakes without cream?
But it's so tasty.
I know. Just hold on a little bit more. Now I'm gonna teach you and I'm gonna show how to fill in the bags. Where are your cooking bags? Great. You know, in order not to spill our cream, we're gonna twist and keep a little bit the bag. So the cream, while we're filling this up, the cream won't spill. And we're gonna do one thing. Fill 1 spoon at a time. Great, and 1 spoon of mine. And 1 more spoon of green. And a spoon of pink. Right. We can add 1 more spoon of green. And 1 more spoon of pink. Great. Now we have everything in here. I am gonna take the cupcakes. I'll show you in one move how to fill in the cups. We untwist, carefully set the cream down. And we're gonna go from sides to the center.
Wow.
And again. Now it's your turn. And you do the same thing. I'm gonna help you out. And go for it. So everything will decorate. You can use some sprinkles for that. Choose. I'll just go with a few sprinkles. Let's go for the rainbow ones, right?
Awesome. They look amazing.
I know. Well, you've done great. You've been amazing chefs today. I was just on the side, you know that, and you just managed to make this amazing, beautiful, unicorn rainbow cupcakes. Well, this looks absolutely delicious. They are so colorful. We have these beautiful, fluffy, and creamy cupcakes.
Tasty. Yummy.
I know, this recipe is delicious and we should give a try. Put everything aside, I'll bring some juice to you and then we give this amazing things a taste. Would you like some? Now choose your favorite straw.
Green.
The color blue I chose for the cupcakes, and now I'm gonna choose it for our juice. So, let's give it a taste.
Please.
Great. Cheers. This is so delicious. They look so beautiful and colorful. Look at these colors.
Wow.
Show me yours. This is absolutely great. Tasty.
I like it.
I know, you've done great.
This is so tasty.
It is. And goes perfectly with juice. You should definitely, guys, try this at home. They look just amazing. Rainbow. They are really called rainbow cupcakes, right?
Right.
But this easy recipe for delicious rainbow cakes is a must-try with your kids. It's very tasty, bright, and beautiful. Everyone will be delighted.
Subscribe to our channel. Let's be friends on social media.
Let's have fun and write in the comments where you are from and what dessert you like. See you next Thursday with another easy-to-make dessert. We look forward to seeing you soon. We have a new cool recipe that we can make together. Bye!
Bye.
No. I'll do it myself.